Hello friends, welcome to Bengal Crypto Hub. Here you see that the new airdrop, the airdrop token. The airdrop token and get.io launched the new campaign and new airdrop session. You must need to complete the social task of this airdrop. So how can you start this airdrop session? I show you that. At first you click this link, then I prefer to you you open this link in Chrome browser. Here the airdrop details: total 150 million airdrop token and 10k USDT rewards. Already 16,316 participants join this airdrop. So you can earn airdrop token by simply task complete. At first you need to connect wallet. So you can see the invitation. There have 3 events where you can entry and get airdrop token. First of all, invitation. You can invite your friends. Second, task. There are 3 steps to get airdrop token. Event 3, staking. Here you should stake uxlink token. Stake uxlink token here, and you earn airdrop token. So at first you need to connect wallet. So here you can connect two ways you can join this airdrop. One of them is simply connecting wallet. Here you see that many wallet there have. You can complete one of them. You can choose Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Bitget wallet. So I prefer to you that you you should connect your Telegram channel. So I click the Telegram option, then I open the Telegram apps. You see that the official airdrop 2049. So you see that there show that login and enter airdrop 2049 rewards. Just simply click on, then open. Successfully you join this campaign, airdrop campaign. So you need to complete minimum one event. There have 3 event: invitation, task and staking. Invitation, you can invite your friends by sharing your invitation link, and been 2, there have a task, social task. Step 1, join AIRDROP 2049 channel. Then you step 1, step 2 and step 3. You need to verify this. I already verified my AIRDROP. I have already joined, so I just simply tell you and show you that just you subscribe this channel, click this link and join the AIRDROP 2049 channel. Then simply verify this and subscribe uxlink channel and verify this. So if you have a new user, you get 918 AIRDROP token, and if you are old user in get.io KYC, complete KYC, you need to complete get.io. So if you are old user, you get 118 AIRDROP. So step 3, first step 1, step 2 and complete, you need to complete. Then step 3, where you get your AIRDROP token. So you need to complete get registration get.io and finish the KYC process. Then input your UID and AIRDROP deposit address below to verify claim and rewards. If you did not submit your UID and deposit address, you have not any reward here. So input get.io UID and deposit address. Now I show you how you get get.io UID. So you see that, click the left up corner, then here you can see your UID. Just click and copy successfully. You need to completely KYC. So I copy the UID, and how to get deposit address, just click asset, then click deposit, on chain deposit, then search here UX and link, you show that. So here the Arbitrum1 network chain, just copy this address, then here input get.io UID and deposit address, then submit. I already use this UID, that's why show that. So and you can complete uxlink stake the UX link and get airdrop rewards. So that's all. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you for supporting me. You join my channel, telegram channel. You join my telegram channel. Here I update all crypto every day. You see that airdrop allocations, the total airdrop allocations 10 billion. So join and subscribe my YouTube channel and telegram channel. So thank you.